In July, your garden can start looking tired quickly. Flowers fade, lawns dry out, weeds spread, and pots need more attention. So here are 5 quick jobs to do now, starting with one that can keep your plants flowering for longer. 1. Deadhead fading flowers. If your flowers are starting to look tired, don't just leave them. Once a plant starts making seed, it often puts less energy into new flowers. So remove the faded flower heads. Cut or pinch them off just above a healthy leaf or bud. This helps the plant put its energy back into fresh growth and more blooms. It works well on plants like petunias, geraniums, roses, dahlias, cosmos, and marigolds. Don't overthink it. If the flower is brown, faded, or collapsing, take it off. 2. Water pots properly. Pots dry out much faster than borders or flower beds. In July, a pot can look fine in the morning and be struggling by the evening. Water slowly until you see water coming out of the drainage holes. That tells you the compost has been properly soaked. Check pots with your finger. If the top few centimeters feel dry, water them. Hanging baskets, tomatoes, herbs, and small pots may need checking every day in hot weather. Water early in the morning or later in the evening if you can. 3. Mow the lawn higher. In July, your lawn does not need a harsh, short cut. Cutting grass too short can make it dry out faster. It also weakens the grass and gives weeds more space to move in. So raise the mower height. A slightly longer lawn copes better with heat and dry spells. It shades the soil, holds moisture for longer, and usually looks greener. If the grass is growing quickly, mow more often, but don't scalp it. Little and often is better than one brutal cut. 4. Pull weeds while they are small. Weeds grow fast in July. The mistake is waiting until they are huge and have already spread. A few minutes now can save a much bigger job later. Pull weeds after rain or after watering when the soil is softer. Try to get the root out, especially with weeds like dandelions. In flower beds, use a hand fork or hoe and work carefully around your plants. In pots, remove weeds as soon as you see them. 5. Feed hungry plants. By July, many plants have already used a lot of energy. Pots and hanging baskets especially can run out of nutrients quickly because watering washes feed away. If plants are flowering, fruiting, or growing hard, they may need a boost. Use a suitable liquid feed and follow the instructions on the bottle. Don't make it stronger than it says. More feed does not mean better results. So those are 5 quick jobs to do before July ends. None of these jobs are complicated, but they can stop your garden looking tired too early in summer. Do them now, and your garden has a much better chance of staying healthy, green, and full of color for longer. Let me know how you get on. See you next time.